To be true to reality, the Tesla Model B is not Elon Musk's electric bike, but rather the work of an American designer named Kendall Toerner. Nor is it, at the moment, a production model, but rather a design exercise that advances the lines in technology of what could be Tesla's first foray into the electric bicycle segment. The question, will Tesla, in general, and Elon Musk, in particular, want to enter this market? We can't think of a reason why the answer should be negative. The Palo Alto brand has in its portfolio the most searched electric car in Google worldwide, which is not only for sales, but also for the interest it arouses. It also has the Tesla Cybertruck, a model that is not expected to have many sales, but many comments, why not a bicycle, that brings the Tesla world closer to those who cannot spend what a Tesla Model X costs. Tesla Model B, an electric bike with autopilot in Toerner's own words. With the design of this electric bicycle, he has experimented with combining two industries into a single product, that of the automotive industry with that of the bicycle, since it incorporates technological. Tesla's electric bike offers autopilot features. The steering fork has an artificial intelligence system based on radar, cameras and ultrasonic sensors, thanks to which it is capable of recognizing all kinds of obstacles in the environment, and on some occasions, it will be capable of reacting to changes in direction, as if it were an autopilot. The control panel called Mini Head-Up Display and completely digital are striking. Also the absence of pedals. We insist that this is a design exercise that could be modified if it were to become a reality. The designer has confirmed that the Tesla Model B has two independent motors, one on each wheel, which gives it all-wheel drive. These two motors would be powered by a battery.